One of the most absurd cases that is the case between the well-loved actor Johnny Depp and Amber Heard is one that does not appear to be coming to an end anytime soon. In fact, what is happening between them just keeps getting more confusing and more strange as time goes on. Of course, in order to protect both of their names, and they are each striving to get the justice that they feel they deserve. However, this really just depends on whose side you are taking on this issue, as it has been noted that many find Heard to be in the wrong. Pirates of the Caribbean star Johnny Depp has been in a seemingly never-ending legal battle with his ex-wife Amber Heard for years now. Amber Heard faces 10 years in prison for lying about Johnny Depp in court. Some would face felony charges for this. Related charges include offering false evidence under California Penal Code 132 PC and preparing false evidence under California Penal Code Section 134 PC, which are considered felony crimes and carry a maximum sentence of up to 3 years. This applies even if the person doesn't actually present it but intend to present the falsified evidence as true. So, clearly this isn't to be taken lightly, and given that the evidence against Heard has been mounting rapidly, things aren't looking too good for her. But of course, it's not only in court that she's in hot water, as the internet has been a source of intense backlash for the actress too, as of late. And while most of the evidence so far has shown Heard to be the primary abuser in their tumultuous marriage, it's not like Depp is completely innocent in all this. However, a surprising new turn in their case could spell a lot more trouble for the drive-angry actress than her husband. According to a recent report from IBT, Heard now faces up to 3 years of jail time if found guilty of manipulating evidence against Johnny Depp. If you've been keeping up with the case, and how could you not, given how it seems to be all over social media, you'll know that Amber Heard has made numerous claims against Johnny that have painted him as an abusive monster. But in recent months, most of them have been debunked or proven false, and now she's facing serious consequences for allegedly falsifying evidence. The California Penal Code Section 141 PC stated that it is illegal to alter, modify, plant, place, conceal, manufacture, or move any physical matter with the intention of causing someone to be charged with a crime. But since the audio leak, the internet has already returned to his side of the issue. After initially blasting Depp and calling for his removal from Pirates, people were now creating a petition to have him return to Disney as Captain Jack Sparrow and for Warner Bros. To fire Heard in the same way Disney fired Depp. This sway in public opinion has also kept the level of interest in this situation high. Johnny Depp filed a defamation lawsuit against his ex-wife just over a year ago. Heard attempted to get the case dismissed, but her request was denied. Defendant's demurrer is sustained as to the 4th statement listed above, but it is overruled as to the other 3 statements, wrote Fairfax County Chief Judge Bruce White on Friday in a lengthy opinion letter to lawyers on both sides of the personal and messy battle. Further, defendant's plea in bar regarding the statute of limitations is denied. Counsel shall prepare an order reflecting the court's ruling and forward that order to the court for entry. One petition is trying to have her fired as the L'Oreal spokesperson, while another wants her gone from the upcoming Aquaman sequel. Of course, it could be some time before Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's court battle comes to any kind of resolution, but it seems like things will only get worse before they get better for the former couple. Actress Amber Heard sued her ex-husband Johnny Depp, claiming he had verbally and physically abused her. Depp has since made an effort to fight back, delivering her a defamation lawsuit after evidence of his innocence emerged in the form of a leaked recording from 2015 and a statement from Heard's hairstylist. But in a surprise twist, Heard could be facing not just millions of dollars in this case, but also 3 years in jail. While nothing could be proven, Heard's accusations against Depp were enough to significantly damage Depp's reputation and acting career. The story also almost derailed the latest Pirates of the Caribbean movie, Dead Men Tell No Tales. Depp has faced significant levels of hate and ostracizing over the past 5 years. Heard said it was from one of their two small Yorkshire Terriers, Pistol and Boo, while Depp told the court it was a mystery who defecated in the bed. He said he was convinced Miss Heard or one of her cohort was involved in the defecation incident. If Heard will be proven guilty of faking her bruises, she could face 3 years of imprisonment. According to the Wallen and Cleric law firm, the California Penal Code Section 141 PC stated that it is illegal to alter, modify, plant, place, conceal, manufacture, or move any physical matter with the intention of causing someone to be charged with a crime. Some would face felony charges for this. Johnny Depp initially filed a suit to sue Heard for $50 million. But now it appears that she could not only be forced to pay the sum, but she could also be facing jail time. Amber Heard asked a US stylist, "Can you believe I just did that show with 2 black eyes?" following a television appearance the night after she was allegedly hit by her then husband, Johnny Depp, the High Court has been told. But Samantha McMillan, who worked with the couple when they were together and continues to work for Depp, disputed Heard's claim as the stylist gave evidence at the actor's libel trial. McMillan said she spent much of the afternoon and early evening of the 16th December 2015 with Heard as the star prepared to appear on James Corden's The Late Late Show. She said she could see clearly that Heard had no marks, cuts, or bruises. McMillan said in a witness statement, "After the show, Miss Heard said to me, 'Can you believe I just did that show with 2 black eyes?' Miss Heard did not have any black eyes and had been visibly uninjured throughout the day and at that moment." McMillan said she later learned that Heard had accused Depp of violently abusing her the previous night. Depp, 57, is suing publisher of The Sun News Group newspapers and its executive editor, Dan Wooton, over an article that called him a wife beater and referred to overwhelming evidence that he had attacked Heard. Depp denies ever hitting Heard, 34, who has submitted details of 14 occasions during their relationship when she says he assaulted her. The trial also heard evidence from Hilda Vargas, a housekeeper who has been working for Depp for 30 years. Vargas said she was horrified and disgusted to find a large pile of feces in the bed the actor shared with Heard. The source of the feces, which was found in the bed on the day after the couple was said to have had a bitter argument when Depp arrived late for Heard's 30th birthday, has been a matter of dispute. But it doesn't stop there. Heard could also be charged with offering false evidence under California Penal Code 132 PC and preparing false evidence under California Penal Code Section 134 PC. These are also considered felony crimes and each carry a maximum sentence of up to 3 years. This extra layer of the case emerged after Heard's hairstylist refused to back her claims of physical abuse because, as she said, "Throughout the day of December 16th, 2015, I could see clearly that Amber Heard did not have any visible marks, bruises, cuts, or injuries to her face or any other part of her body."